211 Randolph Road, Suite 311 is located in the heart of South Leaside in a beautiful low-rise boutique building. Experience the best of both worlds, an incredible family-friendly community, and at the same time, easy access to downtown and the future LRT. You're going to love it. Come on in, let me show you around. This suite has it all. A renovated kitchen with quartz counters and stainless steel appliances, updated hardwood floors, and an incredibly versatile den. Use it as an office, dining room, or second bedroom. A spacious primary bedroom with walk-in closet and a full 4-piece bathroom completes the space. The cherry on the top is the wide balcony overlooking the courtyard and one of the very few suites in the building to have one. Included also is 1 parking and 1 locker. Don't miss it. Book your showing today.